The Galaxy Z Fold 5 is one of the most powerful phones in the world. Let's talk about some of its features.
You can drag and drop two apps together, which means going into a split screen. It is the best way to multitask on the Galaxy Z Fold 5. After dragging your apps together, you can select photos and drag them into apps like PenUp, as shown. And so you can edit them as you like. You can rotate them, select them, or even draw or erase on them. Let's go on to how you can split your tabs in browsers like Chrome. If you just hold down on the selected link, click on the option Open New Window. This is very convenient as it opens in a new window and has its own pair of tabs. And now let's see how we can enable the option for split screen for all apps. Open Settings and then click on Advanced Features. After that, select Labs and then open the option for multi-window. Now you can see that the split screen option works on any app. If you want to hide the taskbar during a split screen, just go to Advanced Feature and then Labs. Select the text highlighted in blue and open the option. Did you know that you can close your phone just by placing your palm on it? Just go ahead into Settings and then Advanced Features, select Motion and Gestures, and then Palm Touch to turn off screen. Now let's come over to some of the S Pen tricks. We already know that you can search and select through the S Pen, but there are more amazing features. If you come over to the Galaxy Store, I surely recommend you to download this app called Good Lock. But for now, if you open the Good Locks app and then Pentastic, you have a ton of features. For example, you can change the way how your S Pen cursor looks. And then when you come to the double tap shortcut, you can click on it and then select any preferred app. And now, if you hold your S Pen button and click on the screen twice, the app you selected will appear. Now you know how you can use the S Pen to take notes on the Notes app. Here is another trick you can use. You can open the Sketchbook app and start sketching, drawing, or even painting on it. Next up is Flex Mode. If you go onto Settings and then Advanced Features, you can select the Flex Mode panel and keep it on. So now if you ever keep your phone in a fold mode, it kind of feels like a computer, as you can swipe through pictures with a cursor.